Hello, I'm Mark.
I'm Casey.
And I'm Patrick.
And today we're going to talk about some unusual misses on the highway. But first, Casey's going to roll that title for us.
It's Superman!
You're watching the Tesla Life Express!
Hey everyone, thanks for joining us today. I wanted to talk a little bit about DashCam and what happened this week. It was that DashCam of someone driving an FSD apparently picked up a real interesting view from the front windshield of their vehicle. And I think what we'll do is we'll just share that so people can see what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
You have to see it because you wouldn't believe it if we just told you.
So get a load of this. This is a screenshot from the video, and we'll play the video too. But just so you can see it up close, yes, that is a plane buzzing across looks like a 4-lane highway. Mm-hmm. And in the lower part of the frame, that is the wingtip. As the vehicle, the Tesla, slid over to the fast lane, trying to avoid the plane coming in that low, and it must have been really close to scraping the roof of that car.
I was gonna say, from the color palette, it looks like a DashCam sensor mode.
Exactly. So we've got a little video I think we can share from Tesla Roddy, who put the post up. Oh, I'm not seeing it now. Hold on. Oh, there it is. Got it. Okay, so we can go back and share that. Here we go. Bear with me here. Share. So this is David Bello posting this, and he indicates that, wow, Tesla full self-driving dodges a freaking plane falling out of the sky. And I have to agree, as we see him driving along 4-lane road.
Yeah.
And look at that.
Can you hit the make it bigger button there, Mark?
Oh.
There we go.
Yeah, play it one more time.
Loop that. Oh, here's the play again.
Play it again, Sam.
Wow.
That's looking like a haircut.
Yeah.
That's, probably something you weren't expecting. Driving up this slight incline here is to have a plane approaching fast from the left. Looks like the wheels even touch the ground.
It looks like it.
It might have touched in the slow lane as that vehicle, that plane came down. Oh yeah, like that definitely touched, or it touched the dirt on the shoulder for sure.
Yeah, I've
heard this based on the shadow that you can see.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Our power line's to the right.
Yeah.
I wonder what happened after this video.
That's a good question. But I've heard this is much more common in Alaska, where they say that you're allowed to legally use the public roadway as a landing strip if it's clear.
And when you have a density of one person for every 10 square miles, you can get away with that stuff. But
not here it's like an emergency situation.
Yeah, and this was in the Oklahoma City area.
Yeah, somebody needs to lose their pilot's license.
well, depending on what caused this.
Yeah, what's the circumstance behind it?
Right, yeah. Okay,
but yeah, like typically, if you're a pilot and you've got some control, you would want to be landing with traffic, not cut across 4 lanes of traffic.
Mm-hmm.
But again, no context. We're not really sure what happened after the fact.
And this is probably not one of those cases where the public roadway and a train and the airport all share the same space, because typically you have similar to the train crossing gates, you'll have an airport gate, and they'll drop it.
Yeah, and if this is a plane coming in and they missed the runway, like if they were early and came in, they're going to have an airport fence to deal with too. It's not like you can just skirt across the road and you're hopped in. If it's an airport, it is definitely by law fenced in. So the plane is going to crash into the exterior fence if there happens to be an airport on the right-hand side of the road.
Wow. Yeah, I used to work near a small city airport, and so there were planes like this buzzing over as I'm commuting. Never quite this low, though.
Exactly. So yeah, that's quite the video. And if we see here, let's go into the article a little bit. Again, captured on Oklahoma Highway, and this was October the 23rd. A turboprop crashed during the training mission after an engine failure. So both of the crew members escaped unharmed, but they were not the only ones in risk of injury based on the video. That was definitely true. Others were at risk. And the dash cam video was shared by a friend of the car's owner, who shows that the vehicle narrowly avoided an impact with the plane actually swerving left, then back to its side of the road. It seems to be quite the stroke of luck that nothing did happen with the vehicle. David, who was the friend, in his X post, he indicated that it wasn't me, it was my friend who sent me the video. I'll see if he can reach out and get more details on what FSD version he has. I personally had a video of my Tesla maneuvering between two bunnies at night on the road. So I fully believe this to be FSD. So I don't know if David's logic is that correct. Talking between bunnies and a small plane.
It's a bit of leap logic there, huh?
Yeah, might be a bit flawed on the comparison. But
but whether computer controlled or manually controlled, I'm sure that clip has made it to the mothership. And I was going to give him
if they have data sharing enabled.
If they have it enabled, yeah. I was going to give them a pass for recording the screen instead of sending the clips out of the thumb drive. But then they said that he sent it to me. I was like, oh, I can't give you the pass anymore. And then the other guy said he has a test. I was like, yeah, I really can't give you the pass anymore.
Yeah, the app makes it easy to get these video clips now and get them the full thing. This people recording their screens is ridiculous. Come on.
If you're not legacy. The other thing with that, though, is definitely, if that's what you got, do go ahead and record the screen first, and then go get the footage, because there are cases where something has happened, and by the time you go to get that, it's gone. But once you pull it out, just delete the one that you've recorded and then put that one in its place and share that one.
Right.
Yeah, and as you mentioned, Casey, I'm sure this has gotten to the mothership regardless, even if it's only arrived in the raw data from X recorded on a screen. And then they probably have some way of searching logs and such to find, not bunnies but planes, and pull that out of their hat. So that's something they're going to definitely examine. But that's the craziest video I've ever seen with an object in front of a vehicle by far. I haven't seen anything. Lots of animal life. I've seen lots of stuff falling off of a truck in front of the driver. Yes. I've seen. Remember a couple of weeks ago we had the Dukes of Hazzard jump across the highway. So we've seen a lot of nutty things, but man, a plane that close definitely takes the cake.
And you bring up a good point. That's how FSD, whatever they call it, that's not quite FSD, but more than autopilot in China was trained. It was trained off of the dashcam clips like that and other social media. So there's nothing stopping them from, even if you had data sharing turned off, there's nothing stopping them from putting that screen recording into the mothership and then just doing its best to train on that. And when it is another Tesla, it's probably a little easier to clean up, especially if they know, hey, this was a Model Y, this was a Model 3, a Model X, whatever. Because then they can just kind of preset the mode and say, hey, here's how it looked on the screen. Here's what you recorded.
Yeah.
Yeah, or just make a simulation that does the
Yeah,
same thing. Now they say, oh, this happened once. We need to make sure that it's in our training set.
Yeah. And if they had like only partial data sharing turned on, then they can go back to that date and time, get the parameters, and then put what's left of the video from social on there, and that'd be fun.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Absolutely. So
save some lives.
That's the craziest one I've ever seen, and I'd be interested for our audience. What have you seen? Have you seen anything more bizarre than that? What's the most bizarre thing you've seen? Put it in the comments and let us know what you've seen on the dash cam or the Sentry mode for saying that. But this is definitely the craziest looking object I've ever seen get close to a highway in front of a Tesla while it was recording.
Yeah, I can't top that, but I'm gonna have to go through my my footage and then download the rest of it and see what comes up.
You don't want to top that, really, you know?
No, not really. Especially not in the second tallest Tesla
that
that
is
they
something
make.
you do not want to top.
Yeah.
But
I guess third if you count the semi. Yeah.
I wonder if someone submitted to Wham Bam Tesla Cam that channel. I haven't watched their weekly update in a few weeks, so I wonder if it's there. Maybe
that better be on there.
And see if there's some update for them. But that's amazing. We thought we would share that with you today because that was something that we've never seen. So we let us again in the comments. Let us know what's the craziest thing you've seen on a dash cam report.
Yeah. If he hasn't shared it, then they should probably point him at the tweet so that he can get the permission and put the video in there. That'd be fun.
Yeah. I'm sure he's heard about it.
Very good. All right, guys. Casey, any shout-outs for us?
Yeah, catch us on Monday for the Tesla Life Express Edition 2. Catch us on Sunday over at Let's Chat with Casey and Friends over on youtube.com/Casey Green at x.com/gcustom. See you there.
Very good. Patrick?
As always, I'm with the Oregon Electric Vehicle Association. You can find us at oeva.org, and I blog occasionally at carswithcords.net, where I write about my future free from fossil fuels. Thanks.
Very good. Very good. Thanks, everyone, for joining us. If you haven't already, thumbs up on the video, press it, subscribe, help us out, and we'll see you next time and find out what's happening in the Tesla life together.